Hey, what's up guys? My name is Daniel Lopez with Invest in You Finance, and if you're new to the channel, welcome. I wanted to do something fun with this channel, and I have decided that we are going to be opening up different brokerage accounts and investing in Vanguard's VOO ETF. The reason I want to do this is so that way you guys can see how easy it is to start investing in the stock market. I am a firm believer in compound interest and investing for the long term. If you guys haven't seen my video on how I built my 401k to $500,000, go check that video out. That is just proof that investing over a period of time consistently will increase your net worth and your account value. In this video, we are going to open up a Webull account, and by opening up a Webull account using the link in the description below, you guys can get 2 free fractional shares of a particular stock that Webull gives you by depositing any amount. I'm going to show you guys how to link up your bank account and how to start investing in Vanguard's VOO ETF. We are going to be depositing $100 initially, and this will start off this journey of this portfolio. I'm going to be showing you guys this portfolio, and we're going to be talking about the taxes, talking about expense ratios, talking about when to sell, how to buy. With Webull, the cool thing is you can buy fractional shares, which is a big game changer if you're only going to be buying a certain amount of the stock. And if the stock is like $300, but you only have $5, then you can just buy that fractional share. Webull only allows you to buy $5 minimum. So at the end of the video, I'm going to show you guys how to set up automatic reinvestments. I've done some things on the website, and I've done most of the looking at the account through the mobile app. The mobile app is more user-friendly and it has a lot more options. This is my first time opening up a Webull account. Let's see how it goes. Once you click the link in the description below, this will pop up and it says get up to 12 free fractional shares by opening and funding any amount. And if you scroll down, it says get up to 12 fractional shares by opening and funding any amount with Webull brokerage account. Open a brokerage account and get 2 free fractional shares. Make an initial deposit, and also you'll get free fractional shares. And then it tells you different things about Webull. So let's go ahead and click sign up. It's going to ask you for your mobile number, and then you can create your password. They will send you a text to confirm your mobile number. Then we are going to want to download the Webull app. So let's go ahead and click that. It'll take you to the App Store. We're just going to download it, and then we're going to open the app. Once you're in the app, you sign in. It's going to say click open account. And with Webull, privacy is very important. So then you are going to start uploading your information, your ID, take a picture of the front and back, and then start filling out your name and all the information that it requests. It's going to ask you if you're employed, self-employed, unemployed, retired, or a student. And then what is the nature of the business and your employer name. After this, they're going to ask you some questions about your investing experience. How much investment experience do you have? And then it's going to give you a drop-down menu that lets you select extensive, good, moderate, or none. And then it's going to ask you some more questions. What's your overall investment objective? We're going to select growth. How long do you plan to invest the money? Long-term, 7 or more years. What's your risk tolerance? How important is liquidity to you? Approximate annual net income. Approximate annual net income approximate total net worth, and it says if you do not know the answer to these questions, they likely do not apply to you. For most people, they won't apply, but go ahead and read them, and if they do, select them. We're going to select a cash account. We want to be trading stocks, ETFs, and let's just select crypto just in case. After this, you're going to see all the agreements, and then you can go ahead and do your e-signature and click apply. They're going to send you an email with a verification code, so then you'll go ahead and put that in there. Once this is done, it's going to say your application has been submitted. It may take a few days for your account to be active. So they're going to look at your account, audit it, make sure all the information you put in is correct. Then you'll get approved. Once you get approved, you can make your initial deposit. I waited a few days, I got approved. Now we're going to deposit our first amount of $100. But first, let's link our bank account. I linked my checking account, and there's two ways you can link your accounts. One is by having them deposit small increments into your account, then you verify those increments, or you can do a real-time verification. I went with the real-time verification, and it did it pretty fast. The real-time verification is going to ask you to log in to your bank account. They use Plaid. Once you select the bank that you have, you're just going to search it right here. And once you search it, you select it. Pretty much it'll direct you to the website. You log in to your banking account, and then they will get access to your checking account. It's going to tell you to select the account you want. I selected my checking account, and then it says success. Then you want to go ahead and click continue. Initially, I want to deposit $100 just to start off the account. And this deposit, I believe it'll take a few days, up to 5 business days to complete. It took about 3 business days when I first made this deposit. So we're going to go ahead and click that we've read everything and we understand. Confirm. So now the $100 is pending. And once that clears, then we can start buying our stocks. I'm just going to go ahead and click get started so we can see what the website looks like. But it's going to ask you to first set up a trading password. It's going to ask you for your password every so often, so just make sure that you remember this password. So let's go ahead and click set up now. It's going to ask you for your birth date and some other questions. Once you answer those, you can set your trading password, which will be 6 digits. and then click confirm. I think I put more than 6 digits. Okay, let me just re-enter this real quick. Okay, confirm. And then it's going to ask you a bunch of security questions. You're going to select whichever security questions that you want, answer them accordingly, then click confirm, and then it says success. You have set up your trading password. You can download the Webull desktop platform if you want to. I chose not to. And then I just wanted to look to see what the ETFs would look like on the website. I was just playing around with the website. I haven't used Webull before, so I was just exploring it for a little bit. I was looking at my username. It tells you what an ETF is, and this is what the platform looks like on the Webull website. You can trade, you can go to settings, and we could search for stocks. But we're going to be mainly using the app. I just wanted to see what this looked like. I'm not a fan of the website, but I believe the desktop is a lot more for day traders, and then the app is just for easy convenience. But now I'm going to show you guys which fractional shares they gave me for opening up my account. And we have to go to the promotions. And we're going to go to the promotion center right there. It says my free stock, so we're going to click view. And let's see what free stocks we got. We're going to claim the reward. This is for opening up account. They will give you a bonus for depositing any amount. So I'm waiting to get that. That will take up to 5 days. But let's claim the new account bonus. Okay, we're going to claim now. Okay, look, they gave us Gap stock. They gave us, it says the estimated value is about $3. Let's see what the other stock that we got. View, claim, claim now. Okay, cool. We got another Gap stock. So we have $6 total in Gap stock for just opening up a Webull account, and we will be getting money for the deposit once it clears. It may take up to 5 days to get that free stock from the deposit. So we have 0.29 fractional shares times 2. So we got about 0.6 total of Gap, and its value is about $6. I'm not going to sell these right away because then we will be hit with short-term capital gains. I'll probably just wait a year and then I'll sell it. But this is what the promotion center looks like. Here is where all of your rewards will be, and then you can claim them and see which free stocks Webull will give you. I want to buy VOO every day for the next year, and we can track the account and see what the account does. I want to show you guys how easy it is to start investing, how the account's going to grow, and how much fun we're going to have on this journey. It's going to be $5 every day. I'm going to be buying VOO, and then periodically we'll be coming in and looking at the account to see how it's doing. Okay, we are now inside the Webull app, and you can see that the net account value is $105.94. $5.94 came from the free stock that Webull gave us, and that is GAAP. Now let's go into the recurring investments. We are going to be looking for VOO, Vanguard's ETF. So I'm going to search for VOO. There it is, Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. And we are going to deposit $5 every day for the next year. Let's go ahead and select every trading day. The next investment date will be August 25th, 2020. And let's go ahead and click confirm. The recurring investment schedule, we're going to be buying Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. The order status is active, $5, frequency, everyday trading inside my individual account. Guys, this is exciting. I can't wait. Let's see how everything turns out. This concludes the video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, please subscribe, turn on that notifications bell, and I'm going to be uploading many more videos on this Webull account. First of many brokerage accounts that we are going to be opening up together. Thank you guys. Take it easy. Peace.